So if you look down the side, you'll see bubbles where it goes in and out. So bubble, bubble. We've got bulge, another bulge. So all of that is coming, and then there's another bulge. All that is coming from the connection point between the awning and the eave of the house, and it's just coming back behind the wall. And that is actually pretty common on manufactured homes that have T1-11 on them. So we have more bubbles coming down here. We also have water coming right off of there, going down the side of the house. It's not bubbled, but the water is just sitting on the edge. And a lot of times what ends up happening is on the top of your skirting, water will just sit there and just eat away at this stuff. T1-11 trim. Now back here, all of that is rotting all the way across. We have a window over here that is full of water, just coming right down off the edge. We have T1-11 trim all the way across that's having issues, landing right on top of the windows. So we definitely have a lot of water just coming right off of the roof, right down into the side of the house. Some of the ways to be able to resolve that is obviously gutters and downspouts. And so we will pop off all the damaged material, make sure it's insulated, windows are flashed correctly because that's not an original window, and put new T1-11 insulation, T1-11 on there, put a gutter system on it, tuck it up underneath the drip edge, because if you put it too far down, then you're going to have the same issue of the water just going back in. So some of the common issues that you deal with when you are faced with an older home with deferred maintenance that has T1-11 siding.